Labor Day, the first Monday in September, a chance to enjoy one last long weekend of summer, and to thank our unions who made it happen. So while you're enjoying time with your family, take a moment to remember those that fought hard for the freedoms we all enjoy today. And let's take a moment to pay tribute to our essential workers, to our doctors and nurses, and to all those whose employment has been affected by COVID. A message from North Bay Labor Council. Plan for progress. We all deserve better.
Is an opportunity for me to stop, take time, and be grateful for the work, the actions, the solidarity, and the sacrifice of those in our labor movement. Without them, we would not have the opportunity for the fair work, better conditions, life and home balance that we enjoy today. We thank you. Remain safe, stay well, and be kind always.
Labor Day is an annual holiday to celebrate the achievement of the workers. This year's focus is Workers are the Recovery. This Labor Day, we take time to reflect the past year achievement and challenges. Workers are the backbone to the economy and need to be part of the recovery process by investing in workers' experience, skill, and diffusing technology to companies of all sizes to enable job growth, rising consumption, and productivity. COVID-19 changes how we live and work in ways that we alter our behavior long after the pandemic dwindles. Company moves rapidly to deploy digital and automation technology, dramatically accelerate trends that were unfolding at much slower pace before the pandemic. Work went remote, shopping, entertainment, and even medicine online, and businesses everywhere scrambled to deploy digital systems to accommodate the shifts. The recovery must be built on good jobs that offer decent wage, benefit, and a path to unionization. Recovery planning must strengthen the public healthcare system by adding universal pharmacare, investment in childcare, and affordable housing. A strong recovery isn't possible without workers. Workers have to continue to keep us afloat through this incredibly difficult time by keeping us fed, healthy, housed, and supported. We must ensure that when the next disaster hits, we are able to weather the storm without leaving anyone behind. Investing in these key priorities will keep us from returning to status quo. I'm Henri Giroux, the President of the North Bay and District Labor Council, and on behalf of the Council, we send our appreciation and respect to all workers. Have a happy Labor Day.
I'm a union member. That means I'm part of an organization that fights not only for my benefit, but for everyone's. Unions put pressure on employers to give better pay and benefits to their employees. And increased employee compensation leads to more consumer spending. It pumps more fuel into the engine that drives the whole economy and replaces those jobs with better jobs. And that's why I support working for a union.
A message from North Bay Labor Council. Plan for progress. We all deserve better.
If you're like me, you grew up in an age where unions were prevalent. Getting a good job was a real good job, good pay, good benefits. And if you grew up in the era like I did, a baby boomer, being in the union was a privilege and something that you look forward to joining and look forward to being for probably your whole working career. We should appreciate what unions have done for us. It's a time to reflect on what has been done by previous generations of union people as well as workers, mainly because they've given us a 40-hour work week. They've given us holidays, vacation days, in many cases sick benefits, and a number of social programs such as our mainly universal health care, which some political parties and right-leaning people want to take away from us. But unionism has dropped off in recent years, and that's something to be concerned about. And when I look at Labor Day is for workers, and workers, for the most part, are not unionized anymore. They're gig workers. They're working in part-time jobs, no benefits, quite often low paid, and for the most part, not enjoying the benefits that union members have. And to me, that is something that needs to be changed, that needs to be fought for again. We need to have more participation in unions, because only together are we able to make our standard of living the way it should be and the way it ought to be for all union members. And that's my take on Labor Day. Thank you.